Hello and welcome once again to another Friday Night Wargames. We're doing a special edition this time with the ARP Takao. I haven't done anything with it yet, so we will start by putting the skill points spent, and then we will play a couple matches. So we're going to start off with grabbing some skill point, spending some skill points since she's already got 10 of them. I think we're going to go with this, which it improves our AA rating to 40. Because we currently have the signal. I already did all the signal flags and things, so you don't have to worry about me eating time with that. I'm just doing the skill points. Um, yeah, we'll go with the standard of these two things. And then, I don't remember what its consumables are. Hull repair. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that. We're going to give ourselves some more of that. Because I never had an Autogo, so I had no idea what the hell its upgrades were. And we have a 4. So, we can further upgrade my AA rating. Or we can give myself hull bonus. Well, I guess we can test it all out. Because there's enough doubloons to reset it if we decide one way or the other. So we'll set it to AA for now, which I know is kind of silly because there's not that many carriers floating around, but that is a really high AA rating right now. I mean, I think... Well, I don't have any other tier 8s to compare it to except for the Turpets, which being a battleship means it doesn't quite have as much in the way of AA, but this would be the next closest thing for AA ability, and 66, and we are 47. Eh. Okay, let me actually compare it to the Turpets. What's the Turpets at? 53. So we've brought its AA from kind of not important to at least within slightly usable range. We probably should have gone with the health, but we'll find out. Alright, let's take it out for a spin. This is the first play in it, so I have no idea what I'm doing with this with a tier 8 cruiser, let alone a tier 8 heavy cruiser. So bear with me if it's kind of a bad match, but these things happen. And I will fully blame, if it's a bad match, on myself for taking out an inexperienced ship. See what we're fighting. An Essex. Well, at least there's a carrier. Montana Yamato. North Carolina. 2 Turpets. A Monitor. Minotaur? Eh. Zhao, Baltimore, Mogami, Benson, Fubuki. Okay. So this is a tier 10 match. So I'm not sure what I should do. Well, we messed with all that AA stuff, so I guess we're just gonna team off. Just gonna pair up with someone else and then we will overlap our AA support, I guess. Now, one thing I do have a distinct feeling is that this thing has the same Citadel problem as some of the other ones, which is that where's my arrow? There's my arrow. That shooting right back here will almost guarantee you a Citadel. So as long as they aim for around here and they aimed right. I'm not sure if that's true with this ship or not, but it's true with other ones. And that Des Moines is not moving. In fact, his engine hasn't even turned on yet. So I guess we're down a cruiser. Oh, no, he turned his engine on. I'm gonna turn so I don't run into him. Who's the one talking? I don't know who's. Oh, the North Carolina. So we have a clump of people heading that way, and I'm already spotted. It's bound to be a destroyer in there. He's probably in there. Considering that's being capped. Detected by aircraft. Oh, the fighter group. Why does it look like the enemy team went this way? I. Oh, they're going that way. Well, now we know the arcing at least goes over that. Think we'll try and stick with that Des Moines for now. Maybe. Oh, we forgot to add modules. Whoops. We'll have to do that afterward. The comment section just reminded me because they're complaining about the North Carolina not having any. At least I have the stat thingies to boost my stuff, which means my AA probably would be even higher if I actually had increased its AA rating with modules. Modules are important. Always remember your modules. I don't think those are gonna hit. He's stuck on the island? No, he's running away from the island. Okay, North Carolina. That smoke is still a little bit of a concern, though. That's what, a Brit? I think that's a Brit. Means shoot the AP. There's a Yamato right there. Ow. Turpets. Come on, come on. Where is he? That was lame. Use this smoke screen to turn around. Yamato secondaries. That's gonna hurt. Oh, that is so gonna hurt. Like I said, it has the same citadel. Yamato shells incoming. Ow. Hey. Well, that was to be expected. I lasted longer than I thought I would, though. Um, who's alive? We'll jump over to you. Or maybe we'll go to the Benson. Let's go to the Benson. I'm surprised he left his AA on. That Zhao is giving him a pounding. And there's Yamato secondary fire. Those massive battleships are terrifying for when it comes to their secondaries. He has torps in the water. And they look lined up. And I don't think that guy's dodging. He's going to eat 3. Oh, he only ate 2. And torpedo bombers. Or dive bombers. I mean, not torpedoes. I think the carrier just got that kill. I can't actually tell who's going to win on this. Right now they're winning by the points, but I think that Tirpitz is about to go down. Now we're winning on the points. And they're down to 3 and it's 4. I don't know. It's pretty close. If they take out the enemy carrier, it's sealed. But if... And there's that enemy carrier. And the Zhao's the closest. He'd have to do it. But then there's this Fubuki right here and the enemy Zhao right here. If this Des Moines goes after the... Yeah, he's using his AP. He's going after him. That thing's probably going to stealth torp him. Which is funny because he's not stealthed right now. Yep, there comes the torpedoes. I don't think you're turning sharp enough, dude. Three hits. I mean, if I could see that, he could see that. Unless he was zoomed in on that target. Then I understand how he missed. Yeah, see, he's even saying, I had a choice. I would have gone for the DD. Well, the destroyer's still floating around, but he's already going after the carrier, and it's like in here. That carrier is making a run for it. Uh, 940. I'm 46. Mind you, there's a small problem with that countdown. And that's the fact that the Fubuki is now chasing the Taiho. Can the score go quick enough to cancel out the possible sinking of this carrier? Yes, it will. Alright, that was the first match. It's a win. It's not a very good win for me. I'm fairly certain I did like nyeh. About nyeh. uh, we'll give it another go. But first we're gonna go back to port and put some upgrades on the ship. Um, oh, hey, we got a container. Container, more flags. All the signals. Right, modules, upgrade slots. Uh, Main armament survival, yes. Let's see what else we got in here. Target acquisition system, plus 50% to the range of assured acquisition of enemy ships, 20% to spot range, 20% to the acquisition of torpedoes. Concealment system, minus 10% to my detectability. That's interesting. What does that do? No, we won't just mount it to see what it does. That's a lot of wasted coin doing that. Minus 10% from 11.9, so I'd be down to 10.9? Okay, you can all scream at me for my bad math. And my artillery goes to where? 15? That's not a bad change. That might be actually worth it. I know this actually was given to me for getting this ship. I, that's... I'm just gonna go with that because they gave it to me. It's free. And these ones are all standard, normal things. Um, let's further increase them. Eh. Then, steering or propulsion. It seems like it goes pretty fast. Let's give ourselves more propulsion. Okay. So let's go with that. Let's try that out. I didn't really do anything special here. Oh, wait. Wait. Let's give ourselves some of these. Let's give ourselves some of these. It's a pretty good idea to give ourselves some of these. And now that I know that it has that, I should have put that on there. Yeah, let's go with speed boost. Then we'll grab this one, and we'll grab this one. We'll make it so your consumables come back faster. We'll cancel out detonations. We'll weaken fires. And that's it. Alright. Let's go again, guys. And gals. I'm fairly certain there's female players of this game. Watches, it's another tier 10. It's another, no, yeah, it's another tier 10. Dump. Sea of Fortune. What map is that? I have, I think I've only been on this map once. I've only been on this map once. So a ship I've only been in once, and on a map I've only been on once. This'll go well. And there's no carrier this time. Yay! That's not yay at all. There's an we have two F de Grobes. 7.9, 10s, 15. There's a lot of destroyers. I'm gonna switch to HE so I can shoot at those destroyers. Da, 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 da. Enemy detected. Wasn't by me, it was by the destroyers. It's one of their Der Grubel. De Gross? Der Gross? De Grub? It's German. Uh, I gave it a try. I tried to pronounce it. I apologize for all of the not correct pronunciation. I see destroyers. I have a feeling I was more on target before it tried to adjust my aim to target the other guy. Holy crap, that castle. Glad I started turning. That would have been a citadel. Highly strong probability of citadel, at the very least. Come on, hit it before someone else gets it. At least give me damage. I didn't even get damage out of him. And they got a detonation out of it. Or no, wait. Holy hell, that's a lot of torpedoes. Izamo. I apparently missed. Yeah, see, I didn't really need to do the speed boost. But that turning one is a pretty good idea. Nah, he sped up. Ooh, I did actually hit him. Woohoo! I hit him! I've done damage this game. Hooray! All of 351 points of it. Uh, that's not gonna do anything. Ow. This is ridiculous. If I'm still detected... Oh, there it is. It's like, what am I detected by? Hey, there's a New Orleans. We need to get moving. Get moving. Just angle. Go, go, go. I sunk something? Where did I sink? I doubt those are going to go anywhere near him. I so don't want to be the first one to come around that island. Their gun's even pointing this way. No. I shot the island, didn't I? Those guns are rapidly turning direction. There's just wrecked ships all over right here. Yeah, we're clear of the island. Those are gonna fall way short. Or not as short as I thought they would. Sploosh. I saw those ricochets. Uh, I should probably run a scan because my computer keeps doing that, where it drops the window for no apparent reason other than because it wants to. Does his torpedoes go back that far? No, wait, that's an American cruiser. What am I talking about? There's no torpedoes. I, on the other hand, do have torpedoes. That was a much better match than the first one. I even got a Citadel. I probably got about mid-range, though, or I placed in the top 5. I'm okay with that. That was a good match. And so, overall, I think the ship's pretty good. Um, Not to mention, it's my favorite character from the show. I do actually watch the show, did actually watch the show, because I even watched the movie, which ends the series, which I really wish that that had been another season for the series, not just an end. I guess they could do more if they wanted to. There's nothing that actually says they can't. But yeah, favorite character. And so I hope you enjoyed this special Friday Night War Games ARP Takao edition. I know it wasn't as many matches as I usually do, but it was still a pretty long video. We're closing in on like 45 minutes here. Um, Overall, the ship is has some pretty good turn rate, especially once you put the turn module on it. It's pretty fast. I mean, I'm basically describing the Autogo here, but the guns aren't too terrible, especially when you put the modification on them. I don't know what else. The torpedoes, I just call them defensive torpedoes, even though they go out to 10. Yeah, 10. Um, it's got semi-decent AA. I wouldn't brag about it. It's got some good AA. So, I like the ship. Anyway, do like, favorite, subscribe, socialize, and we will catch you again for another Friday Night War Games next week. Thank you for watching.